The nervous system is one of the most important organ. It comprises brain, spinal cord and nerves. Now brain is the most important organ and control center. It is the major part of the nervous system. It is located in the head and is well protected by the bony skull. Brain comprises cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla and cerebellum and medulla. Cerebrum is the topmost and the largest part of the brain. It consists of two parts and has dome-shaped surface. It controls our sense organs and is also responsible for our thinking and reasoning abilities. The cerebrum receives messages from the sense organs and sends back messages about what has to be done. Thoughts, memories, intelligence, and learning. These depend on our cerebrum. The cerebrum is called the thinking part of our brain. Cerebellum. The cerebellum is located at the back of the brain just below the cerebrum. Cerebellum coordinates voluntary muscles. It means voluntary moves. Cerebrum coordinates voluntary moves like balance, posture, speech, muscle coordination. Now medulla. The lowest part of the brain is called medulla. Medulla bridges between the brain and spinal cord. The medulla controls involuntary actions. Digestion, respiration, blood circulation and heartbeat. These are controlled by medulla. The medulla never stops working even when we are asleep or suddenly fall unconscious. Now spinal cord. The spinal cord starts from the base of the medulla and goes down the middle of back till the lower end of the backbone. Spinal cord, long, thick bundle of nerves, well protected by the bony vertebral column or backbone, help the brain to exchange information between the brain and the rest of the body. Nerves. The spinal cord also controls reflex action, sudden action not involving the brain. When we touch any heat object, then spinal cord messages to the brain. Nerves are made up of tiny nerve cells or neurons. Carry messages from different parts of our body to our brain and spinal cord. Nerves are called messengers of the body. Types of nerves: sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. Sensory nerves send information from sense organ to the brain and spinal cord. Then here brain and spinal cord. Motor nerves send information from brain or spinal cord to muscles. Now mixed nerves. Motor and sensory nerves carry messages to reflex action. Brain body's control center responsible for almost all activities going on inside the body. Some actions are controlled by the spinal cord only without the help of the brain. are called reflex actions. Reflex actions are automatic, immediate, and involuntary response. Sensory knobs from the skin carry messages to pain to the spinal cord. Now, spinal cord sends messages to the hand through the motor knobs to pull back the hand. Reflex actions are fast and rapid. Now, sense organs. Eyes. The color of iris may vary and can be black, brown, blue, or green. Pupil, lens, retina. Light enters the eye through pupil and falls on the retina after passing through the lens. Optic nerves transmit the images formed on the retina to the brain so that they can be interpreted. The brain then processes these signals and we come to know what we have seen. Now, sense organs. Ears. Our ears help us hear different types of sounds. Ear is divided into three sections: the outer visible part called pinna, middle ear, and inner ear. Sound travels through air as sound waves, and these pinna at first capture these sound. It means sound enters through our external ear called pinna. Then it reaches in our middle ear and through eardrum. Then auditory knob connect the ear to the brain, passes on messages to the brain which interprets in it the understandable form to us. Now, sense organs. Tongue. The tongue contains numerous taste buds which have a small group of taste receptor cells that react to chemicals in food. Sweet, sour, bitter, salty. Now, messages are sent from the taste buds to the areas in the brain responsible for interpreting taste. Now, sense organs. Nose. Nose help us to differentiate between smells, fragrance, or stink. Inner part of nose is lined with hair, help in trapping dirt and dust particles from the inhaled air. The knob that connects the nose to the brain is called olfactory knob. There is a strong connection between the sense of smell and sense of taste. So we can able to sense of taste. Sense organ. Skin. The skin, our body's largest organ, help us feel the sensation of touch, cold, heat, pain, and pressure. The knobs sending in the skin carry the message of sensation to the brain and brain capable to different action. That's all in this chapter. Thank you.